Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. Are you sick and tired of those greasy fingerprint stains on your stainless steel refrigerator? Or the endless amount of grease that gathers on the hood of your stove? This super clean degreaser will get rid of all your problems. It quickly dissolves grease. All you have to do is just spray and wipe. My super favorite part of this degreaser is that the detergents in here are biodegradable. I really enjoy using this to keep my fridge clean, free of fingerprints and smudges because there's no need to let it sit, so it's great to use when you're in a hurry. I also enjoy using this on the hood of my range to remove the grease buildup that makes it sticky and tacky and attracts dust buildup on it. And it's just quick and simple to use. So next time you have a tough stain or a tough greasy problem, don't hesitate to get this super clean degreaser. But that's just my point of view.